Get to know what a man wants. Become the key to your man's heart. Make him think about you all day long. Has your man been ignoring your calls and text messages? It does not matter at all. He will begin to desire you again without even realizing it. Get to know the exact drive that controls everything your man does. Bring out the hero instinct in your man and every other woman will fade away from his heart, then he will be yours and yours alone. This instinct is just like hunger and thirst, which will be impossible for your man to ignore once it is triggered. It's not your fault if you are going through hard times in your relationship. You just need to discover what drives your man, and help him discover that hero instinct in him. Men have a biological drive and they always want to feel needed and irreplaceable. It's not all about pleasing your man, you need to show him ways to please you also. Make your man feel he has to earn your love, and your relationship will feel very real to him once again. For the first time he will feel like falling in love with you over and over again. All past relationships will be nothing compared to the deep love he now feels for you, and his desire for you will begin to soar. Unlock your man's hero instinct and make him fall in love with you over and over again.